Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to reduce the file size of a PDF file on your Mac. To compress the file size of our current PDF, we need to re-export it as a PDF, but with a reduced file size. So to do this, we first want to open our PDF file in the Preview application. Once we've done this, you want to navigate to File in the top left corner. Under the drop-down menu, you want to select Export. Now, you want to choose a location to export your PDF file. I'm going to choose the desktop and I'm going to rename this to Example v2. Now you want to make sure the format has been selected to PDF, which it should be by default. And then where it says Quartz Filter, you want to click on the drop-down menu and you want to select the Reduce File Size option. Once we've done this, you want to click Save. After a couple of seconds, this will be successfully exported. Once it's done, we can exit out of the Preview application. And as you can see, the new PDF has appeared. So to double-check the file size on the PDF, you want to right-click it and then you want to select Get Info. As you can see, the new PDF is 937 kilobytes. Now to double-check the file size of the original PDF, we want to do the same thing. So, Get Info, and as you can see, the original is 4.7 megabytes. So, quite a big difference in file size. And if we use Preview to view the PDF files, as you can see, there is visually no difference in quality between them. And that's it. So, if this video was helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more helpful tech tips. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Thanks for watching.